Here we are, number 5, Greenburn Close. A semi-detached dormer bungalow, very nice cul-de-sac position, and this property is one that requires total restoration, renovation, improvement, call it what you like. However, the property adjoining it has been done up beautifully, so I would suggest this would be a really good project and would make a fantastic home when the works and upgrading are completed. There is rather a lot of work to be done, as you'll see in a minute. I'll just show you the cul-de-sac itself. There you go. Let's spin it around. See about the workman's van, but can't help that, can we? So a nice wide driveway. It's block paved, but like nearly everything, it needs redoing. There are UPVC double glazed windows, but I think on the whole it would all become part of the project. So there's the garage, and quite a sizable garden. There you go. Could be made lovely. Such potential. Okay, so I'm going to come in the side door. And I'm going to go through to the entrance, which is here. So, front door, little square hallway, little toilet off, cubicle. This is what you... I'm trying to give you a good idea of it, you see. It's a little bit dark, but there's no light, so I can't do anything about that. So a downstairs bedroom, or it could be a study, could be a small dining room. Let's have a UPVC double glazed windows, which I'm sure could be cleaned up. And you're screened at the front by that big hedge, of course. But again, that wants trimming and lowering down. The stairs are off on our left, but we'll do the downstairs first. So, decent sized lounge. And conservatory. This could be absolutely lovely, couldn't it? And do you know what? I think it was at one time. Look, there's a little lamp there on the edge of the decking. And a bit of space around it. Don't mind. So this is really the dining room, I guess. This is a breeze block wall, but I think it would be nice if it was taken out and the kitchen enlarged. Okay. We'll put that one under the heading of potential again. So there's your central heating boiler. So sorry it's presented to you like this, but there we are. Okay, we'll go upstairs next. Main bedroom. So windows at both ends, floorboards, ceilings in good shape. That's out the back. I'll spin it round. A big room is this, yeah. The blue room. It's a double-sized bedroom. And you can see again that the property on the other side, i.e. not adjoining this, that again is in tip-top condition. So if you did decide to buy, you're surrounded by nice, well-maintained and presented properties. Bathroom. Oh, okay. So it doesn't look pretty, but you've got a corner bath, a shower cubicle, wash basin and a loo. Yes, it needs sorting out, upgrading, redoing, but there you are. So hallway, there's 3 bedrooms, 1 is downstairs, there's a downstairs loo as well. 2 double bedrooms upstairs, decent sized lounge, a dining room and a kitchen that needs sorting out, doesn't it? A driveway, everything needs sorting out. But it could be done and the end result would be very, very nice. See if I can show you anything from up here. There you go. Okay, so the property is going to be sold by auction. Call Cardwells please if you would like to view. Thank you.